So we got these massive, look at the depth on these things. They are super deep, and the front ones are the same. They're all exactly the same. They're all the same. You got this Hellcat. I have 305s on the back. This car got 305s all the way around. All the way around. So look at this bad boy. The Hellcat Redeye. How often do you get to see a Hellcat Redeye? I know this is the first time I've actually been able to walk up to one and look in it. And now, today, guess what? I get to drive it and floor it as fast as it can possibly go. As fast as it can go, just like he did mine when I first got mine. But it's all good. You know why? Because both these whips, they got full coverage bumper to bumper. So if he blows it, if I blow it, guess what? New motor. But anyways, man, the Hellcat Ooh. Wow. Definitely cleaner than mine. Definitely cleaner than mine. It's got the Hellcat Redeye logo on it. Yeah, this is this shit? Well, it's got the green belt.
Yeah, why's it got a green belt?
Oh man, you might have an aftermarket pulley on here. People, check this out, guys. Check it out. He literally has a green belt. Usually they don't do the green belts until they do the aftermarket pulley. He's got the upgraded air filter, bringing in air through the hood. Look at that. Making it happen, Captain. Man, that is sick. Yeah, that is sick. You know what? We need to check that. I'm going to go check the size of my pulley real quick.
50, you can get the original ones for 150 with the brown trim around the edge.
All right, so here's the Hellcat, my Hellcat. And you can see I don't have a Redeye. And this pulley has numbers on it. So let's see here. We're gonna do an old school style. Look, carpenter's eye, about that big. Go over here. You're gonna laugh, huh?
It's the same shit.
Yep. It's the same.
Yeah, mine's smaller even.
Just checking it.
Look even smaller.
If it's smaller, it would be faster, more boost. They did something like.
Mine's bigger than.
Yeah, no, it's the same.
This car feels like it's faster than mine, bro.
Well,
I drove my shit. I was like, this feels like a Honda compared to Nate's.
No, shut up.
I'm serious, bud.
A Honda.
Hella fast compared to mine.
In track mode?
It pauses when I hit the gears. It'd be like, it goes.
Hold on a minute. So you're telling me that this Hellcat feels faster than this Redeye, but it's almost impossible because that's 100 more horsepower, 97 to be exact, crank horsepower. We're gonna find out today who is faster. We're gonna go to Mexico and we're gonna turn these cars over to our stunt drivers, and they are gonna handle business.
Mine are black or something. See, your valve covers are like orange red.
Yeah.
Mine don't even have that color. I got black ones.
That's 2015 style. Yeah. So Brian is saying he got to drive my car. So the reason why he has this is because the twinkling butterflies in his stomach made him want, after driving this, made him want the same feeling in a muscle car. Because I'm telling you, for a stock car, it's undescribable. I mean, I was impressed, and I got the beast over here that's pushing 750 to the wheels, and that's only 707 to the flywheel. So, you know, for that to impress me, man, it says a lot. That's a big statement. So today, Brian's gonna let me test his Hellcat Redeye. He says it pauses or something. It's doing a little pause break or something during shifting. We'll check it out. I don't think this car is faster. I know that this car is faster. So maybe he's just trying to trick me, make me feel good about myself or something. So we're gonna find out today. So let's do it. Okay, here we go. Hopping in the Redeye. Hopping up in the Redeye. in my pajamas. I got my pajamas on right now, but you know what? I'm not gonna blow this opportunity to drive a Hellcat Redeye. So let's do this.
That's the six-figure.
Got the push button.
Six-figure jigsaw, man.
In my slippers, in my freaking my pants for lounging around the house. Man, heck yeah. Can I turn the AC on?
Go for it.
Oh yeah.
That's what you want.
Gotta get some AC in here. All right. Hey, look at that. 797. We're just riding. We're just minding our own business.
Alright, go for it if you want.
Oh yeah. It did spin a little bit more than mine.
Yeah.
So I slowed down because I didn't want Brian to freak out on the turn.
Do what the fuck you want.
So I did it. I slowed it down.
I mean, no, I can't say the bad
Hey, what
words, so
flew
okay.
down there? What was that?
Probably your wallet.
Oh no, it's your phone. We'll see if we can get some takers. Oh look, there's another Hellcat.
Where?
Psych!
Hellcat.
Close up on it. oh man, it feels nice. This feels like brand new shifting.
Yeah, look, look at the mileage.
How many miles is on it?
Right there.
Whoa,
look at
3,000 miles.
Yes, sir.
Look at that. Oh. Alright, check this out, guys. So we got the intercooler. Look at the chiller's running at 68 degrees. That's how my Camaro runs. My Hellcat, it's always running at like 89 or 125, but this guy is way down there. That's pretty awesome. Alright,
cool.
so we're in Mexico now.
He said we're in
Yeah.
Mexico.
Let's just give it a little two. We'll slow down at the top. Here we go. Yeah.
Whoa! Whoa! Shit! I think I pissed a little bit in my pants
Hey,
right there.
let's get the mile per hour right here. Let's go back to the mile per hour. How we get this thing?
Hey, can't you find a better
Dude, I'm not gonna do crazy
That
stuff.
one with the hills? You trying to jump?
There you go.
You trying to jump this thing or what?
Where's that performance thing with the dyno?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Do the dyno thing.
Look, you got G-force. You got G-force on yours?
I haven't looked. Yeah, I do.
Okay, hold on.
But go to the
Dyno's
yeah.
right
Okay.
there.
Look how cool this is, guys. So here we are.
Did it die?
No, you just go like this and check it. All right, we're still going. So I'm gonna give it gas to the floor. Ready? Watch the dyno. Hit it. Yeah.
Damn!
Look at that. Woo, it was like close to 800. Look at the graph right here. 800. See that? So I noticed that it did something. It freaking totally slowed us down when it started spinning. So that's the hesitation you're feeling.
Alright.
That's what you're feeling.
So that's the traction control doing that?
Yeah, that's the traction control doing that.
So I gotta get some better tires.
Hey,
He's turning like that.
yeah, but you can go towards you a little bit. You don't have to. All right, there you go.
Can't you do somewhere where there's not so many turns and hills and stuff? Oh.
I would never jeopardize your life, Brian. All right, Coach.
Trying to hold it still.
Let's just ride.
Oh!
Yeah.
Damn, I gotta flex my.
Oh yeah. Speedo. Speed.
Oh! Oh! Damn! Woo!
Yeah.
Oh man.
That was nice, man. You know what? The car controlled itself. It was doing all the work. It was doing all the feathering. I literally just laid into it, held on. But when I did notice that it tried to kick me off of the steering wheel with that pausing hesitation stuff.
I don't like that.
But guess what?
What?
You need it to freaking you need
Control
it to
that
do
power,
yeah,
huh?
to
Otherwise
control
you're
it.
gonna fucking get sideways and wrap.
The technology in this car is so much better than the Z01 because after I got tuned and I got all the changes made and the more horsepower, it wouldn't even utilize traction control. It used to just like literally die dead in the water. You would fly forward, almost hit the steering wheel, and then go back.
Right.
Like it was crazy. Now this one is doing very well. But I want to do a couple. We'll go do a couple
Get up
rolls.
in there real quick. What's that?
This is Big B,
What up?
aka Big Whip. Just paid 90 racks. How much you pay?
95.
95 for a
urinated.
Hellcat Redeye and urinated on
Alright, we go.
takeoff.
Alright, we go. Ready?
Oh, no, I'm not doing this neighborhood. We're gonna get out of here.
Are we done?
Yeah.
Yeah, you tapping out this graph. That graph is hitting the 800 mark over there.
Yeah.
Shit,
It did.
out like a bug.
I got it to the 800. Man, yeah, I like it to go that
The fastest speed I've hit in this car is 132, and I was just on the way home from the dealership.
fast. Just on the way home.
Yeah, on the freeway.
Yeah.
Smashed. Because the old record was 126. You know how it keeps score of what's the top speed of the car I've ever done?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was 126, so we broke that on the way home real quick.
We do not know. We don't know whose is faster, so from what I can feel,
He got him the second production year.
they feel
2016.
equally as fast. I'll be honest with you. They feel about the same, but I know that this one has 97 more horsepower than mine, but it feels about the same, and it so I can't tell the difference, but the car's got heat. I can't say that the shifting the shifting is tighter. It feels like it's a little bit more responsive. The steering is really soft and smooth. Mine's a little harder than that, but I can't feel a distinctive horsepower change, but I can feel the newness. You know, mine's what, from 2015. This thing's, what year is this, Brian?
19.
This thing is 2019, so it's really a lot newer than mine, and it only has 3,000 miles on it. So all I gotta say is the Hellcat Redeye is a very well put together car. It's an amazing car, and if you could afford this type of car, man, I would definitely recommend. I mean, look how beautiful this thing. Look at this. But the stock intake.
All right.
Here we go.
Say what's up,
Here's
kid.
the homie. Here's the homie.
Give him
290.
Smash that for him. Push it one time. Go.
Kobe said I can't.
Like this.
I can't.
Give me it. I'll do it.
No.
Say what's up, Kobe.
Now you're on the TV.
There you go.
Go ahead. What you It works. Okay, it works.
And that's a stock exhaust, so I give the Hellcat Redeye a 10 star, and